Oh my goodness, it's been a long time in coming. We've been waiting for this property for years. Can I say 10 years? 10 years. But finally it's here, ladies and gentlemen, and we have a bird's eye view of what you will be getting when you book your Excellence Oyster Bay or all the other Excellence properties through us, Sheri Funtastic Travels and Resorts Limited. You know we're all about the fun. Properties in Jamaica, Punta Cana, and of course in Mexico. But we're talking about Jamaica today, Falmouth, Jamaica to be exact. And as you look in the background, you will see our Falmouth cruise pier. Can you imagine what it would be like sitting on your patio and seeing the ships come in? But we're not talking about ships today. You know we love cruising, but today it's all about Excellence Oyster Bay. And I have with me my very good new friend, and she's gonna be my BFF for life, I can just tell you. Now I am doing this crazy thing with her name. So tell us again, how do you pronounce your name?
My name is Janina.
It's Janina. It's a German name, and I'll get it right. I'll say it 10 times, and I'll get it right sometime. But Janina, please tell us, why do I need to book this category for me? And what is this category called?
Oh, I can definitely recommend you this category. It's called Excellence Club Beach House with a private pool, oceanfront. That means you have this unimpeded oceanfront. You're just a few steps away from the beach. You have this crystal clear water in front of you with the different shades. You have a private pool here. You're on an exclusive building. You have the highest privacy here. I can definitely recommend this to you, and I love it. Do you?
I love it. You know, I understand that this is not the highest category, but guys, I'm a simple girl. I like the simple things in life. I don't need much more than that. I got pool. I've got a soaking tub. You'll see it. I have the beach. I have food.
You have beer, you have liquors.
I have beer, I have liquor. Okay, I will drink and then I'll go to sleep, because you know I don't do well with drinking, but that's another story for another time. But Excellence Oyster Bay, Falmouth, Jamaica. We're open for business, guys. You need to call us. Sheri Funtastic Travels and Resorts Limited. We're all about the fun. I love bathrooms. Okay, I've said it 1,000 times. I'll say it 1,001. I love bathrooms. And we're now in the bathroom of this beachside. Did I say it right?
Beach house.
Beach house. It's first floor. Tell us, what do we have here? What's fantastic?
So we have a really luxurious bathroom, as you can see. Here we have our high-tech tropical rain shower. We have 2 sinks, enough space to apply your makeup in the morning.
Hello, am I seeing Bulgari?
Yes, exactly. Here you can see our Bulgari toiletries.
I like it.
The toiletries in the club area.
And what's around the corner?
Let's have a look.
Oh, the commode. So, you can't live without a commode, you can't. It's right here. Ladies, gentlemen, we're just having so much fun. It's all excellence. Excellence Oyster Bay, Falmouth, Jamaica. You gotta come here.